Best friends Sarah and Jay are huge nerds for history. So when they find an old skateboard tucked away in the attic of Sarah's house, they're excited to give it a go. But they have no idea that this board is no ordinary skateboard. Oh no, this is a time-traveling skateboard. And the first time they step on it, they're zapped back to ancient Greece. There they meet a young boy named Alex who tells them that he has an important message for the Oracle of Delphi, but he can't get into the Oracle's sacred temple because a huge rock monolith is blocking the entrance. If Sarah and Jay want to get back to their own time, they need to get this rock moved. But how? Well, it turns out this rock monolith is no easy feat to move. Even with all the strength of the ancient Greek men there, they can't budge it. But luckily, Sarah and Jay are pretty strong themselves. They team up with Alex and the others to push the rock. And just as they get it moved and enter the temple, the skateboard reappears behind them. They step on it and are zapped back to the present day. But they quickly realize something. By moving the rock, they've completely erased the Oracle's sacred monolith from existence. And since the Oracle depended on that monolith to focus her powers, she's now just a regular old woman. As a result, over the years, the great history we know has never happened. They've accidentally become the worst superheroes ever. Luckily, the board seems to be zapping them back to moments in history where they can fix these small events that have gone awry. They just need to decipher the clues. The next time they find themselves on the board, they're in Victorian England. And although they don't know it yet, they've got a big part to play in the life of one Nikola Tesla. They meet a young Tesla working on his latest invention, an electric motor. But he's missing one key component, an induction coil. And without it, his invention will never work. Luckily, Sarah and Jay have brought a few items from their own time, including a metal detector. Sure enough, they use it to locate a nearby metal pipe. It's not an induction coil, but it'll do. Tesla uses it to power his motor, and it works like a charm. He gives them 3 predictions about their future that seem to match up with the strange occurrences in their own time. Then, before they can thank him properly, the board takes them away again. They're back in the 21st century, but things aren't quite right. For one thing, there's a huge statue of Nikola Tesla where the museum once stood. And they remember him saying something about a 4th prediction. What have they done? By helping Tesla, they've changed history so much that he's become famous and wealthy in life. But that means he's also become a grumpy old man who hates the public. At this point, they have 2 choices. They could either put the board back at the attic and let history take its natural course, or they could keep the board and try to fix their mistakes. Either way, the choice is theirs. Hey, thanks for watching. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike it if you disliked it. Check out our other videos. Comment below with video suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe and follow.